4WD 2.4 GHz full functional RC stunt car. RC car stunt car toy with headlights. With attractive appearance and flexible operation, here's the perfect RC toy gift for boys and girls. Double sides can be driven with 360-degree tumbling. All of you can enjoy the thrill with this super fast remote control monster truck. 360-degree stunt spins bring all sorts of thrills and stunts to your child. Two-sided driving makes the RC crawler car overturn simple and easy. 2.4 GHz frequency allows several RC toys cars to race at the same time and place. Off-road 4-wheel drive design makes the car be the best toy gift for any children who love toy RC cars or racing. With two powerful motors, 4WD remote control truck reaches high speed. Anti-slip tires support the hobby RC cars easily handle various terrains, like grass, pavement and sand. Cool headlights function just like a real car. Two rechargeable batteries provide the RC cars for boys with longer life performance.